Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my ResinSoul Yi, which is my early birthday gift, so let's begin. Box, and now this ResinSoul bag. I actually like these bags. I was wondering how other people that ordered from ResinSoul got these bags, but I didn't get one from when I ordered from Denver Doll. And this bag, since he's 72 centimeters, is about tall as me when I'm sitting. Alright, let's open this up. Ooh. Oh, wow. Since I ordered directly from them, I actually have the COA. Oh, their COAs are actually quite cute. I don't know what this sculpt's name is, but yeah, Denver Doll doesn't have their own. Well, they have their own COA, but since I also ordered a long head from them as well, so there's two COAs here. I ordered my Yi in dark tan, so these are his jointed hands. From what I've seen, the dark tan actually is a lot darker than I thought it would be. Looks more like a chocolate brown. Can't see how the rest of the doll looks like. And here's my long head I'm gonna use with my Miracle Doll body. Oh. His regular hands. They're very nicely sculpted. I just love ResinSoul's hands. They're so delicate, yet elegant. That kind of rhymes. Alright, for the finale. Kind of hard to see. Oh my god. Alright, here he is. A dark tan Yi. Wow, this tan is actually a lot better than I expected. It looks a lot better in person. Wow, he's so gorgeous. Although with this tan, you could easily see like the sand marks, which is kind of expected with tan skin. But I actually love this color, and this is my first dark tan I've ever ordered. He comes with green eyes, which I'm gonna have to do his face with later, but I just love the color of this resin. I just hope the hands are, yep, they're all intact. No fingers missing. Yeah, since like they don't like attach their hands like when they ship them, kind of the hook is still there. Although I might have to get it with like a crocheting hook, which I'll get it. Yeah, he still has like sanding marks, which like okay, this one is too thick. I'm using a paintbrush here. I hope I put these hands right. Okay, this one. Yeah, that looks right. And the other one. His hands are so nice. Yeah, I've been wanting Yi for a while, since like he's like the only and this was like, and I think he actually works for the character I'm gonna make for him. Alright, that'll be it for now.